Eating disorders. Introduction. Eating disorders are not serious medical problems. Select true or false. Correct. Eating disorders are serious medical problems. Anorexia causes people to see themselves as overweight even when they are very thin. Select true or false. Correct. Anorexia causes people to have a distorted view of their body image. Anorexia can cause bodily organs to fail. Select true or false. Correct. Multi-organ failure is a complication of anorexia. People with bulimia are usually underweight. Select true or false. Correct. People with bulimia usually have a healthy or normal weight. People with bulimia often make themselves throw up food they have eaten. Select true or false. Correct. People with bulimia may force themselves to vomit after eating. Which of the following is a common complication for a person with bulimia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Osteoporosis. 2. Rotten teeth. 3. Type 2 diabetes. Correct. Decayed teeth, along with ulcers and severe dehydration, are common complications of bulimia. Do people with binge eating disorder feel like they can control their binges? Select yes or no. Correct. Binge eating disorder makes people feel out of control when they are on a binge. People with binge eating disorder often feel ashamed of their binge eating. Select true or false. Correct. People with binge eating disorder feel shame and guilt related to their binge eating. Stressful events can trigger an eating disorder. Select true or false. Correct. Traumatic events may lead to the onset of eating disorders. Eating disorders can run in families. Select true or false. Correct. Eating disorders can run in families. Treatment for eating disorders may include medicines, therapy, and nutritional advice. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.